Welcome to Eat Travel Life. Today we are making spiced apple cider. It'll be simple. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Go ahead and start by adding in your apple juice or apple cider. Apple juice is more budget friendly and tastes just fine. Add that into your slow cooker or your Instapot, and then add in your brown sugar, and you're going to want to stir that in just a little bit. And then let's go ahead and prepare the spices that we need. You're going to want a spice bag for this, or you're going to need to strain them out. Go ahead and measure them out and add them into the spice bag. And like I said, if you don't have a spice bag, you'll just need to strain your spiced cider when you're done to make sure that you get all the whole pieces out, because no one wants to eat that. Go ahead and measure them out, put them in the bag, and then close the bag as well. Don't forget to add in the cinnamon sticks and close that bag up. If you're finding difficulty in putting those into the bag, you could use a funnel as well. Just make sure that that funnel has a bigger hole and you can place it in there. And let's go ahead and put that bag into the slow cooker or the Instapot and make sure that it gets nice and wet so that it'll meld all the flavors together. And then put the top on your slow cooker and make sure that it is set for low heat, and then check on it and you can stir it, and once it's done it should be nice and bubbly and you can pour it in a glass and serve. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.